Step up, let me see the whole outfit.
My buckle my belt, sir.
You're doing a Pepsi at Pepsi sponsor you?
No, sir, my Friday beat at this.
What do they on a Friday?
Pepsi me sponsor on Friday.
What do they on a Friday, my God?
But me wounded today, so me a better job something today.
How is shoes that you not?
John, none of the same shoes that you bring from foreign, sir. It fit me till me no know nothing more what to say.
It need for your foot for real.
It just fit me to my perfect size. All you get to find out my foot size.
Now you tell me.
What size is that?
9.
9
Yeah.
and 90s?
Yeah.
Am I right size, sir? How you find out?
I think a size 7 you say real.
But my foot get bigger than that, sir.
So anything from 7 to 9?
9 on my feet. How you find out that?
Me just buy that one and try it.
You never try it, man. Try that.
Yeah, and it fit me too, so if anything I want, I beat outside.
No, I tried 9 more years. Thank you for bringing it for me, Mr. Sharp.
Like, good man, big up Claudia Cooper, she sent feel.
Big up Claudia Cooper will send a shooter for me when I can't beat on Friday.
Yeah man. Swear be ever blessed up yourself.
What is that, Sir Sharp?
Swear be ever blessed.
Swear be ever blessed.
Yeah.
Me hear about swear be and me hear about ever blessed are two different birds or one bird.
One swear be ever blessed.
One swear be ever blessed. That
Yeah.
me not hear about him already, but
Is that
me
she?
is a girl,
Yeah.
but me I wonder for two person named her one. Is a girl named her?
Yeah man, she name
So
Swear be
how
because
she get to know me?
she see up on the TikTok one.
And send something for me?
Yeah.
Respect to Claudia.
I swear be ever blessed.
Swear be ever blessed.
Yeah. Looking at it and see how much swear be ever blessed bless you up with.
Oh, she said, forgive me this. Respect swear be ever blessed to send this to Reggie.
It's supposed to nice for you the rest of the month.
No, Sir Sharp, I just quint the money I done so you have to spend it little.
Hey, you spent too hard.
Me no know, but the currency weak.
Nothing on go on.
I just want $1,000 on budget and Mr. Sharp it done. So I met some more time a day and I can buy a Pepsi for drink. Now I have to keep the little change I have that I can buy.
That can buy a whole case of Pepsi put on over here.
No, Sir Sharp, you can't say that.
How you mean?
What
Buy
me
a
I
case
do
put
with
on.
a kid?
So every day you drink 2 or 3.
No, it's that money I got done too quick, sir.
You better buy one at a time.
Little.
Oh, so you deal with money.
Can't spend it big, Sir Sharp.
Alright, the artist Tariq say he want to review his song, so we want to do that. But right now we are going to match, so it's a tomorrow business. So make sure we see you tomorrow. We have a 5 grand that wallet to him send for you.
You want to review him song?
Yeah, want to play it in the background and you tell me how it sound.
Oh, so tomorrow you gotta do that. You gotta play it in the background and make me hear how it sound.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you gotta do that.
Yeah man, because time you know we are going to match. You don't forward the match.
No, sir, me
Mommy.
can't. Me say you own it.
But you get money now, you can't own it again.
Here I know. And you got change the show, you know. From morning at this one, me sit down and talk about you, you know.
Yeah.
If you never come and say, go and go fresh, my fresh answer, one day me I go see a car, you gonna drive out. And you may come look what just a while I come see you take the car and I come round here. So,
Some
so
change the
you
show.
ever live long, me sir, got a long time now look for you.
We change the show and say me could go match. So what wrong with that?
No, me can't take no much now because me there and me a say mother be never there this morning.
Yeah.
All the little money me have, me tell me wake up with something, me have to buy a drink cause mother be never
I'm see you go
there.
buy cash pot too.
Me sit down there. Me say mother be no come yet, better me go up there again and buy a bun and another drink.
So what Pepsi buy in one day?
I want me buy first the drink, then me go buy a bun and a Pepsi after.
Tell her two Pepsi that.
And a bun, that's all me eat from morning.
So you go buy out that 5 grand you know.
No, mother be the little breakfast, but through my money done. Me say one day me coulda see Mr. Shaw that me coulda hold something that like how mother be leave the food, me coulda buy something to drink up the road.
Oh, no food that problem I drink.
Wounded day enough time, Mr. Sharp. Not
So you not come much at that me ask?
No, sir, Sharp. Me day I say, me want go hold something to drink.
Again?
Go back in my yard, we go eat something.
Pepsi have a rat out your bone.
No, man.
That's why you rate the Pepsi at. Them for just sponsor your case per month.
No. Pepsi hat?
Say
No,
that's
me
not
know
Pepsi.
the company and the people that work there. Good people work at Pepsi company.
That's why you rate them at. Them for just spend, them for just send a case to you for the month.
Nobody down there now gonna remember me.
I'm going to send a letter to management.
Yeah, I know.
Anyways, we cut. Make sure we see you tomorrow for we deal with the thing for the artist. So I'm gonna change the show.
Sir, you say you will give me a thing tomorrow too.
Yeah, just send it in the wallet. But you can't get it before you work.
So come if I even sing a tune over the background and listen to it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. I like how you get the 5, then I'm not about to get no more tomorrow again.
No, man. You see me yesterday.
Yeah.
I said, John Reggie, no, say me get a 10 grand with
Yeah.
you. But tomorrow,
Yeah.
you
So
say
I'm
be
doing-
here that meet you out there. So me say, me I look for you from
Well,
early,
10,000
cause you
million.
always walk up to go buy chicken and you would tell me me can't go fresh. Me out there, me never see you till late in the
You know,
day.
answer my
cause-
question. What to 1,000 millennium? I'm not get it back.
Wait a while ago, sir.
I'm 2,000 millennium yesterday.
Lie. You remember the money that
I mean,
sir?
I'm forget my money. Me not get it back out of that.
You want it back, sir?
Oh, you mean? Now let me tell you something.
Then you don't reach a man down because I give you $1,000,
You're
man.
too general, man. More about money on millennium.
No, out of the one that come tomorrow, more get
You
that.
can't give me this one.
Wounded.
Alright, make sure you get a change tomorrow so we can get it as a get it.
No, sir, don't change it. Just give me a hard vibe.
So we all get back my 1,000.
Well, me don't know, me you was talk about that.
Alright, tomorrow then.
Alright.
Make sure you come out, you know.